about Christmas, what is that first thing that comes to your mind? A feast, right? For me, desserts and a big feast. And when you say feast, generally you think about desserts, right? But Christmas is just not, or any festival is just not about sweets. It's about savory too. और इसीलिए मैं लेके आई हूँ अपनी नेक्स्ट रेसिपी जिसका नाम है मिलेट एंड सीड क्रैकर्स, जो आप चीज के साथ सर्व कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारी डिप्स के साथ सर्व कर सकते हैं, चाय के साथ भी सर्व कर सकते हैं, नाश्ते के साथ भी खा सकते हैं. But it's a perfect snack, a perfect healthy snack which you can indulge into. What else do you want for a Christmas series? Just millet and seed crackers. Let's create magic. So in a bowl, I'm going to add some flour. और ये मिलेट फ्लावर है, इसमें रागी है, मल्टीग्रेन है, ज्वार है, साथ ही में मैं डाल रही हूँ सॉल्ट. Along with that, I am putting mixed seeds, yummy and healthy. क्योंकि इतना मीठा हो जाता है, इतना इंडल्जेंट खाना हो जाता है फेस्टिवल्स में कि कुछ ना कुछ हेल्दी होना चाहिए ताकि people can enjoy more and think about their health as well. साथ ही में मैं ये मिक्स नट्स डाल रही हूँ and I have olive oil. Look at this. This is all you need. ये देखो, ये कंसिस्टेंसी ऐसी होनी चाहिए इसकी. अब इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा पानी डालूंगी and we'll try to knead it. Because ये मिलेट से है तो ज़्यादा knead नहीं हो सकता. I'm putting hot water to get it all together. अब हम इसको इस पे डालेंगे. और ये देखिए हमने रोल कर दिया है. Now I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it. And look at this. It's ready. You can cut it into even pieces and this is going to go in the oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes till they are crisp and delicious. And they will go so well with my cheese platter. Perfect thing to impress your guests. Here we are. Ta-da! And after they are baked and ready, let it cool at room temperature and then you can plate it the way you want. And our millet and seed crackers are ready. So give a taste of health to all your friends and family this Christmas. Merry Christmas!